Hi all. Today another one topic on data frame, that is transferring data between CSV file means .csv files and data frame. Have you heard about CSV file before? So before we start, let us discuss about CSV file first. What is CSV file? The full form of CSV is comma separated values. See how I have written comma hyphen separated values. Comma separated values is one format in which you can store data in computer. Means you have heard about MS Excel, you have heard about Notepad. In Notepad, data is stored in plain text format. So in CSV file, we are storing data in plain text format. Any tabular data means any data in table form, we can store in CSV format. You think about MS Excel. Generally in MS Excel, data is stored like this, like row and column format, means tabular format. So if this is a table, then roll number is the column name, marks. These three are the columns and these are the data stored in three different rows. Now this same data we can store in comma separated values format. Just check this one, values, not value. Why I am telling this one comma separated values full form? Because this is also a question. What is the full form of CSV? This is also a common question. Okay. So comma hyphen separated values. So these tabular data, if you want to store in CSV file, you think that in your computer you have stored data in MS Excel in this form. This particular data you have stored. Now these data you can change to a CSV file. How will do this one? From your file save as, you can now give the extension .csv like MS Excel. MS Excel also has some format, yes or no? Notepad also, you have TXT format. Okay, so like this, to store data in comma separated value, you have to go to file, save as, and you just suppose you are giving the name of the file test. So you have to give test.csv. What you have to give? Test.csv. Then the data will store in these format. These format, check what is the difference. Here this data is not like this tabular, means this tabular data only is storing, but data is not showing like this one now. How data is showing? Comma separated. You check roll number, comma, name, comma, marks, comma. Okay. Roll number, name, marks. Marks no comma, means roll number, comma, name, comma, marks. There is no dot also. Okay. So no dot. Now 1 comma Anita comma 56. 2 comma Sunita comma 72. 3 comma Bikash comma 93. Okay. So each row, in each row each value is separated by comma. In each row each value is separated by comma, even the column names also. So how you can store data in CSV file in your computer? Did you get it? So please try this one in computer. You just open one MS Excel. There you stored the data in this way. After storing, now you do file, save as, then give any name .csv. After that exact file you just try to open using Notepad. Using MS Excel also you can do. Okay, so using Notepad you can open, so the data will look like this. So exactly in this way you do, and please check. Okay, comma separated values format. Okay, so now means why you are learning this CSV? Because our motto is we have to store this CSV file data or you have to transfer one CSV file data to a data frame, and vice versa, from a data frame also CSV. This is in our course, CSV to data frame to CSV. Okay, so suppose these data only, this particular CSV we will store in a data frame. Now what to do? There is one line code. Okay, so this is the code. Is it visible? Let me read once. Before writing this code line, you have to import pandas. Okay, you have to import pandas in your program. Import pandas as PD. After that, you write down this line. Any data frame name you give, like df, just simply this line you just write, equal to pd.read_csv. This read_csv is the method that will change the CSV file data to a data frame. Automatically, directly, you no need to do anything. Read_csv is the method. As an argument of this method, just you pass the path of your CSV file. You have the idea of path, like D drive. In this D drive, if you have one folder ABC, inside that folder you have saved this test.csv. Okay, this is the file. But one thing, this is the path. One thing, just notice, you just put double slash, because sometimes with the single slash the computer program may give you error, or means it can show you error with single path. If it is showing you error, better to change it to double slash. So only this particular line if you will write, then you can get the data frame. The name of the data frame in this case I have given df. Okay, after that you just in the next line only try to print df and check the data will come in a data frame format. We know now that data frame data is in 2-dimensional, like row and column format. So exactly as a data frame you will get this CSV file data. But the thing is, from MS Excel you cannot do this read_csv, because read_csv method is for CSV file only. That's why today we are learning CSV. We are getting the idea about CSV file, comma, hyphen, separated, then give space, write values, es, at last s. Okay, so this is the main your code. This is the code, and this is the method name, read_csv. Okay, so the exactly this thing I will send you the picture of the pages from book. Okay, and please try this in your machine, and you can change the CSV to your data frame. So in my next video we will do the opposite one, and some additional thing is also there with this read_csv file, that also we'll learn in our next video. Okay, so please if you have any problem, please send me message, and please try to complete whatever we have done till now. Okay, many are lagging behind, so please do.